experience about the workshop was really, really good, Nitin. Actually, I really got very systematic, uh, the handy tools, I can say, to counsel uh, whoever the client will come to me. Earlier I used to be very confused on how to go with the counseling, but now I have handy tools, and my understanding is now much deeper. So I'm really happy that I did that.
Perfect.
My name is Anshul and I am from Amritsar, Punjab. I've been working as a school counselor for the past 3 years, but like I have always been wanting to learn more about how do I apply the actual therapeutic techniques that we've always learned during the coursework. So I guess this is the right platform for me to learn more about them. So I got the reliable platform. I'm very happy about it.
Thank you.
I actually see when I had got to know about that this would be a very structured kind of an approach, so I was pretty skeptical. But then when I attended it, so I am much sure of my skills and like about on how to interviewing, because I work with children for most part. So there were times when I used to get lost on what do I do next. So like even the anxiety, the structure that we learn in anxiety, I can apply it also with them. So I am pretty much happy about it. Also, like not only structured, so even though like we have a very a schedule of how we follow up with the clients, but then also we can make it say flexible, like if there are needs. So like I am very happy for I completed the course. Thank you so much, sir.
I'm Prapti, and I am in my profession. I work as a producer for a filmmaking company, and I just completed one of the counseling certificate courses. And to add to this, I wanted to. I did this anxiety counseling certification course from HRs, and I think it was one of the most value creating courses, because though not having too much of background and not yet been practicing as a counselor, to get these I think we did it from 9 to 5 for 2 days, and it was so hands on that the breakout rooms were so so clear in terms of that I felt so confident after the end of this training to even being a mature to be able to sort of counsel clients with anxiety. And I think Nitin, it was wonderful. Whatever you covered, the different modalities which one could use were brilliant. So I can't thank you enough for letting me dive down deep into this counseling certification. So thank you so much. One is I have started it for myself. So after doing this course, I definitely feel so more aware, so mindful. After doing that mindful meditation, I feel more mindful. So I think I've just given it some time to sort of apply it in my own life, and eventually maybe get into practicing this with the clients. So yes, thank you so much.
Perfect. Thank you.
So a brief introduction about me. I'm a student. I'm a second year student in Masters of Psychology, and I decided to enroll for the anxiety course. And honestly, Nitin, it's been one of the highest quality of online courses that I've taken. And the lectures were very clear, very well paced, and very engaging. And I think a lot of references and the fact that you could practice it immediately, I think that added a lot of value to the lectures, and I thoroughly enjoyed being a part of this course. And I'm really looking forward for your fellowship program, and I hope I could join it as soon as possible.
Sudha Ramani. I'm working as a remedial therapist in a school, Global Ed School in Hyderabad. And I do behavioral counseling for students up to 10 years of age. And I do freelance counseling as well. And it was a wonderful experience, doing this course, because I have been attending many courses throughout this pandemic. But this was one of the courses which I liked a lot, had a hands-on experience, and it was so, I could apply in anywhere I felt. I mean, that confidence has come to me to use these techniques which you have taught us. I mean, and also, and I'm doing, we are doing some wellness sessions in our school, mental health wellness sessions. In that, I'm giving these mindfulness exercise to students. It was amazing. Thank you so much for conducting this course.
Thank you. It's really good to hear all of you also beginning to apply this in your practices and in your areas, because that's obviously the objective of the courses. That if you're learning those courses, then they need to be applied somewhere so that you can see the results and work with people. So
Yes.
thank you.
Thank you.
Anything else that you would like to add?
Yeah, I would like to attend many of the courses you are offering, but the time is a main big thing. I could not make it to happen everything because I work during daytime, and some of the courses we need to give a lot of time to it. So hopefully in during any holidays, if you conduct, I would be there definitely.
Sure. For all of you who are watching us live, if any of you are interested, please check out the course pages, because now we have like weekday batches, weekend batches, we have evening batches that are also going on. So you may want to check out all the schedules that are available.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you, Nathan, again.
Thank you.
Sunita Mathur. I've retired from Government of Delhi as a counselor in charge. So being in the field for about 30 plus years, I still needed something to enhance my skills. So I got in touch with you. So after attending a couple of courses, anxiety being one of them, it's really given me a confidence and enhanced my skills. I'm more confident about, I used to do counseling sessions before also, but it were not in a structured way. But the way you conducted the course and the way you explained it, it was such a smooth thing and in a more structured way. So I have more clarity, and I'm sure that I'll be able to make use of it since I'm not in Delhi this time. So I'm really looking forward making use of all these things, though the basics I know, but I needed something in a more structured way. And the tools which you said, I was not, they were new to me, but I'm really thankful to you that I attended this course, and the way you explained it was wonderful, amazing. And that's why I was tempted to do more courses, and I hope doing more and more of the courses which you are offering as and when I get time. So thank you very much, Ms. also, and Mamta also, who also were very patient in answering the queries. So I hope if I have something, I'll be in touch with you. So thank you so much for conducting this course.
Thank you. And
So
please
really, it was really.
I am a school counselor by profession, and also I freelance. And the reason I did this course was to upgrade my skills. And I heard of iCharts. And then after that, after joining the anxiety course, I actually did it for a few clients and also for my own self. And the experience has been wonderful. The techniques that you people have taught us are amazing, very insightful course, I would say. And the way the queries were answered by Misbah and Mamta ma'am, I think with a lot of patience and love. And, they've always told us that we are always there. I think that's the best thing about the whole, about iCharts, I think, because we've got some awesome trainers and instructors. And also, I'm just looking forward to now inculcate all of this in my practice, and maybe just do the relationship counseling course as well. Overall experience has been wonderful.
Perfect. Thank you.
Of course. So anxiety for definitely anxiety clients, and for my own self as well, and relationship for people having issues related to this. And I am a school counselor, and I do get students facing anxiety and stress. I think this will be really, really helpful because it's also structured. I used to be very confused earlier, but after going through this course, I think there's a lot of clarity in the head as to what one is supposed to do.
Perfect. Thank you.
Right? And
So I'm Dr. Tripti Sakuja. I'm a counselor, practicing psychological counselor. And I add more things in my introduction. That is, I am a clinical hypnotherapist. I'm a NLP practitioner. I'm a cognitive psychologist, and all this because of Nitin. So I have done all the levels of Nitin offline, and they all were wonderful and helped me a lot in building up my counseling skills. And now when the pandemic came and I felt that people are getting more and more anxious, and now the need is to help myself to help them for dealing with anxiety. And then I saw this course of Nitin. I said, wow, what else I could want? And even relationships are becoming anxious and conflicts are growing. And then I see this another program of Nitin. I was skeptical. I even talked to Nitin that is it different from what I have already done, or is it just a repetition of some techniques from that course? And he promised, it was different, and it was absolutely different. Other thing I was thinking was online, how will that happen? But couldn't feel even a moment that it was online and I was missing out something. Everything was so structured, so beautifully done. And the icing on the whenever I do his course, I always upgrade myself. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My name is Dr. Moshami Gangopadhyay, and I am into counseling for quite some time now. And I deal with, I have a mixed clientele, including people who are working for in the front line in this COVID-19 pandemic, and I work for Armed Force also. So because of my mixed clientele, I find cases who all deal with post-traumatic trauma and disorder also, and a lot of anxiety cases per se. So when this course actually came, my sister Sudeshna, who just finished the level 1 with me, she spoke very highly of you all. So I was quite intrigued to do it. And like I was saying before we started this session to Mesbah ma'am, that I had actually started applying the thing. What I like about it is the time that we actually take in cracking a case is very limited. So maybe before I used to take 7 sessions, now I can finish it within 3 sessions. It is good for the client and it is good for me. So I'm really thankful to Mamta ma'am and Mesbah ma'am, and even to Shreya and Sanjana for being there. And it was an amazing experience for me. Thank you.
Thank you.